Is Google Drive better than Microsoft Office? Microsoft Office is one of the most popular file formats for computer users, but one business might be on the cutting edge of whether Google Drive will soon replace it. True. https://www.wired.com/story/Google's Drive speeds up word/number 3Q9XTHSDC B50OE5SF.99 number 8 in social. Weird. http://cdn.onemall.com/wp content/2016/0/4/workaholic_FOODDRUCK_after_imc_promo.mp for Workaholics Food Truck After IMC promo uploaded on April 4, 55 minutes and 0 seconds season 2 finale. Brew Dogs. Lonely Island. This is just the tip of the Rafia this week. Otherwise, Jack kicks his drug habit, receives unretractable gear with a gray button, kills an alligator and discovers Bigfoot while trying to discover new flavors of butterbeer. Saddle Up. Sammy same season. Atlister vertical line YouTube vertical line SoundCloud vertical line iTunes https://link up smart apps. The differences and concerns of Google Drive versus Microsoft Office. Google Drive is a new competitor to Microsoft Office, which has been around for over 20 years. Some people may be confused why anyone would prefer Google Drive over Microsoft Office, but there are a number of similarities and differences between the two that may go without noting. One of the most apparent differences between the two applications is their design. Microsoft Office was designed with simplicity in mind, whereas Google Drive's interface is much more complicated and flashy. The other major difference between the two programs is the price. Google Drive will cost $36 per year while Microsoft wants $399 annually. It can allow you to use it anywhere. If a student happens to need access to their files at school, they can open one Chromebook rather than opening each laptop or desktop individually. This can contribute to reduced time spent on transportation not only for students, but for faculty members as well. It is important to remember one fact: what you put into Google Drive is what you get access to at home. It is a perk and convenience for students who need immediate access to their homework or classwork. Wherever said student happens to be, it will let them move files around without all the hassle and security of technological wonders that come with the newest school laptops. While your security is important, there is also the comfort of personal access to certain files at any time you are going to want it. There are schools that have already installed Google software in their school Wi-Fi spots for this very reason. And if you haven't noticed or don't think about it, many schools have put a Chromebook in each classroom, and now those students can check off and access Google Drive completely without concerning themselves with frayed cables and internet packets over Wi-Fi. This Chromebook is not only how to find the right personal cloud storage service. One company that has seen a lot of success is Google. They are the third largest company in the world after Apple and Microsoft. Aside from the fact that they offer great streaming services such as YouTube, their search engine, which was recently renamed Google to avoid trademark issues, their second product, Gmail, both introducing emailing into the online space, and their browser Chrome, they also have developed an office suite called Google Docs. They offer users 30 days to try these great products for a small price. At the moment, there are two key factors when opting for Google. The first one is the cloud storage space for their product suite, and second is what goes into that space in your personal life. Google Cloud Storage, making it easy to save hyperlinks, attachments and GIFs. Not to mention full HD photos! https://t.co/64kixi1lhj Google Gmail. Chris Capeljiva at Chris Capelji the 6th. 2017 ? This service should make saving and accessing your files easier. It allows you to upload photos, documents, attachments and even hyperlinks for sharing! In Google Drive, most of the users delete old files after a month or so. There is no limit for storage, but if you exceed 5 GB then your data will get automatically transferred to another space. Bonus: find out how to do a personal office makeover. Many people are moving over from Microsoft Office to Google Docs, and both have their advantages. Google Docs allows you to work with others as well, but has less editing functionality than it does for Microsoft Office. By default, Google Docs only allows users to have 5 editing open at once. If you ever have more than that, however, then the Google Docs admins can simply disable editing in the account. The developers of Microsoft Office are also working on making it even easier for users to rearrange and adjust their spreadsheets. So far so good. I see your point, but that would mean there must be at least 5 chances because I didn't hear one separate from every other one of anything. That just sounds bad. I mean being unfair, even though people might have done something in the same game and be on here to talk about it. Nothing against them at all, but this site is global, so everything will get mixed. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say that Xfire names will not pile up as much. Just curious. I couldn't agree with my own statement. There is already a filter. Circumflex accent. Yes, was an engineer on the client team. Wow.